Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch's story mode. To begin your journey into the rich lore of Overwatch, navigate to the play menu from the main screen. From there, select the missions option. This section is your primary gateway to experiencing the game's narrative through dedicated player versus environment content. You will find both story missions and hero missions here, each offering unique ways to engage with the unfolding saga and its many heroes. Story missions are the core of Overwatch's narrative gameplay. These are carefully crafted player versus environment scenarios that place you directly into pivotal moments of the Overwatch universe. You will often play as specific heroes, working with a team of up to 4 players to complete objectives such as escorting a payload or defending a critical point. Each mission is designed to advance the overarching plot, featuring exclusive dialogue and stunning cinematic sequences that deepen your understanding of the world. Beyond the main story missions, you can also explore hero missions. These are highly replayable player versus environment experiences that allow you to choose from a wide roster of heroes. Hero missions offer diverse objectives and enemy types, providing excellent opportunities to practice your skills with different characters while still immersing yourself in the game's lore. They are perfect for honing your abilities and experiencing various facets of the Overwatch universe in a less linear fashion, with multiple difficulty settings available. To truly deepen your understanding of the Overwatch story, look beyond just the missions. The universe is rich with lore found in animated shorts, digital comics, and short stories, all available outside the game client. Within the game, you can unlock cosmetic items, voice lines, and sprays that often provide subtle but significant insights into each hero's personality and background. The narrative is always growing, so there is always something new to discover about this vibrant world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.